This video demonstrates how to use adapters for large volume Braund PD tips. 25 and 50 ml PD tips require the use of adapters to attach them to the HandyStep S repeating pipette or other pipettes using standard repeating tips, as the diameter of the tips are larger than the fitting on the instrument. An adapter is supplied with every package of 25 or 50 ml PD tips. While not necessary for sample integrity, sterile adapters are included with sterile PD tips. To attach the adapter, simply fit the cylinder of the PD tip into the wide opening of the adapter and turn clockwise until secure. Adapters are manufacturer specific, therefore it is necessary to use a Braund adapter with a Braund PD tip. Once the adapter is attached, the PD tip can be inserted into the instrument and is ready to be used. Once the tip has been used, the adapter can be removed and applied to a new PD tip. Never try to separate the adapter from the tip while installed in the pipette. The tip and the adapter must be removed as a single unit. Note that while PD tips themselves cannot be autoclaved and must be purchased BioCert sterile, the adapters can be cleaned and autoclaved at 121 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Adapters can be reused a number of times, but will eventually wear and need to be replaced.